Hey y'all, today we are making a crab and artichoke sandwich. Let's get into this video. Alright y'all, so we're going to start by chopping a red bell pepper and then I'm going to chop half of a shallot. On the stove I have a skillet heating up with about a tablespoon of butter on low heat. I also have some minced garlic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to saute these just for maybe a minute or two on low, and then I'm going to cut the fire off. I'll add in my garlic and just kind of let that get fragrant. Alright, up next I have some artichoke hearts and pieces that are in water. They're not marinated, so just get the ones that are in the water. You can use ones that are canned or jarred, but I'm going to take a little bit out and then I'm just going to chop these into little smaller pieces. And then next I'm going to add in about 8 ounces, I think it's about 8 ounces of lump crab meat. I'm going to add in a couple of tablespoons of mayonnaise, and then I'm going to add in about 3 tablespoons of cream cheese and about 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Alright, and then now that our veggies have cooled down, I'll add those in as well. Alright, so I'm going to get all the ingredients mixed through thoroughly. Then I'm going to add my seasonings. I have some dry parsley, some dill, garlic powder, onion powder, and some of that good Old Bay. And then I'm going to add in some salt and some lemon juice and then just get everything mixed through. And I do have my oven preheated to 425. Alright, so I have a roll here and I'm going to fill this with the crab mixture. Make sure you're generous. Nobody wants a skimpy little sandwich. Just fill this up. And then I'm going to add a couple of sliced tomatoes and then some Monterey Jack cheese on top of it. I'm going to put this in the oven for about 6 minutes just so that it can heat all the way through, and then the last 2 or 3 minutes I'll put it on broil just to get that cheese nice and melty. And yeah, you know I'm gonna say it, this was so good, honey. If you guys like this video, let me know, comment down below. I appreciate you for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.